Founder, it's good to see you. Thank you for coming in. There is some potentially hopeful news to share this morning. The very first company in the United States to test antibody treatments in humans is moving into phase 3 trials now. The drug maker Eli Lilly announcing this, saying that it hopes that its antibody therapy could help ease symptoms and even protect against the virus. Let's bring in CNN senior medical correspondent Elizabeth Cohen, who's tracking all of this for us. Elizabeth, can you talk about this trial and also what this antibody treatment that Eli Lilly is working on could mean?
Right, Kate, there's quite a bit of enthusiasm for these antibody treatments, even among sort of the curmudgeons who I consult with, who I say, what do you think? There's really quite a bit of enthusiasm. Basically, it is taking the strongest antibodies that are produced after someone has a coronavirus infection, picking just those, so not the ones that are sort of second best or third best, but the best ones, and making them into a drug. So let's take a look at this trial that Eli Lilly is doing. They plan on recruiting 2,400 study subjects. They're going to be residents or staff of nursing homes or assisted living facilities. And then also they plan on looking at 4 and 8 weeks. Did they prevent infection or did they treat people who were already sick? Now there's a reason why they've chosen nursing homes, and the reason for that is that so many of these infections are occurring in nursing homes. It was a very smart move. Go there and see what good you can do.
What are you hearing? What have you heard from patients who've taken part in some of these antibody studies?
So I actually was speaking with a woman who took part in a Regeneron trial. That's another company that's trying out this antibody treatment. And she's actually a nurse. And she said, look, I'm doing this because I have coronavirus and I want to know, will this help me? But I'm also doing it for my patients.
I've seen people sick from this virus. I've had a friend struggle for his life with this virus. I've had patients in the hospital who are scared because their family can't be there at an awful time in their life.
It sounds like you're doing this for your patients.
It seemed like an easy decision to me.
Now, you'll note that Jennifer actually had COVID-19. So they're trying these treatments on people, or this drug, I should say, on people who have COVID-19, but they're also trying it on people who don't have it to see if it will prevent infection. Kate?
I'm so thankful for people like Jennifer Burnt and what she's doing and what she's literally putting her body on the line for. It's really amazing. Thanks, Elizabeth. Coming up.